I know. Thank you very much. Are we closing the door?
Near the airport, West Jackson, tornado touchdown has been confirmed at this instant. You'll have to give me a second. We took a power hit here at the studio, and I have to get all of my ability to look and see things back. Let's see if we're still on the air. You've got to be in your tornado safe list. We're still on the air. This is a tornado emergency for Lee County. This is a tornado ripping through the city of Tupelo as we speak, and this could be deadly. Let's go tower cam. There's a damaging tornado on the ground right now. The significant tornado touchdown. Basement now. Basement now. Let's go. Now. What? Dave, now! Tornado warning.
Tornado emergency for Moore. You folks in Moore, you need to grab whatever it is you need to grab, and you need to go underground. It is a mile-wide debris cloud. It is a mile-wide wedge, violent tornado. The only way you're going to guarantee you will survive is if you are out of the way, below ground, storm cellar, or basement.
God, look at this. Look at the debris cloud.
A tornado warning. until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern McLean, southern Oklahoma, and northern Cleveland counties. This is a tornado emergency for Moore in South Oklahoma City at 3:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado located 4 miles west of Moore, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Midwest City, Moore, Newcastle, Stanley Draper Lake, Tinker Air Force Base, and Valley Brook. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.
The sound of it.
Yeah.
It's almost here. It's almost here. It's almost here. Oh my God.
This thing is sucking us in at about 47, 50 miles an hour right now. We're holding a hover, but it's just pulling it right to us. This thing is on the ground, grinding, ripping everything up.
Reports that Briarwood Elementary may have been hit in Moore. We have crews on the way, and we'll get that information for all of you just as quickly as possible.
Right there on the top right of your screen, there's the school. I'm unsure sure the exact name of it. It's going to be south of 4th Street. It's going to be east of Santa Fe. Whatever school that is, it is, like you see, completely destroyed as kids run up to hopefully their loved ones. But this whole area right here, guys, is it's completely destroyed. The houses are destroyed. They're completely leveled. Let me show you another school. It's right out my door, Travis, if you keep coming around. Perfect. Now straight down and to your left, right there. That's another school, Linda.
Oh my goodness.
And that one looks like, I don't know what to say. That one looks harder. It looks harder hit than any of them before.
Oh my goodness.
As a parent, this is kind of hard to report on.
Oh,
but we're going to stay in the air. We're going to show you. I mean, these pictures tell everything.
Have Travis pull back into that school. Those appear to be the first people who've been able to make it to the scene, walking carefully through that debris. You see other people now, they're gathering. Of course, we're trying to find out if the kids were being sheltered there or someplace else. Our thoughts and prayers are with everybody in the Moore area. The devastation is complete. One of our cameramen called it atomic bomb-like devastation.
It's just unbelievable.
Helicopters are flying in. There's fire and police officers doing door-to-door searches. It is absolute chaos down here. I've never seen anything like this in my 18 years covering tornadoes here in Oklahoma City. This is, without question, the most horrific I've ever seen.
Okay,
right, Lance.
Listen, we need to get this information. We understand what you're looking at and how horrific it is, but you are telling us that you have confirmed that children were in the Plaza Tower Elementary School, that the gentleman you were just talking to was pulling out third graders. Is that correct?
That is correct. I'm racing over there as quickly as I can.
All right,
and they did a lot of people trying to help.
We had to pull a car out of the front hallway off a teacher, and I don't know what that lady's name is, but she had 3 little kids underneath her. Good job, Teach. You can see her ripped our house up. I still got a little girl buried there, so I mean, I gotta go.
Come on down.